Japan might be the most misunderstood ham radio country on earth. Extreme population density, tight regulations, lower power limits, and yet Japanese stations dominate DX logs worldwide. Not because they're louder, but because they're better. This is ham radio, Japanese style. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Ham Radio Around the World, where we break down on how amateur radio actually works outside of the United States. Same hobby, different rules, different culture, different call signs. Hi, I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX, and today we're heading to Japan. This series is sponsored by World Radio League because international operating only matters if you can actually see it in your log. In Japan, amateur radio is regulated by the Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communications, or MIC. Japan treats spectrum as critical national infrastructure. That means strict licensing, real enforcement, zero tolerance for sloppy operation. Amateur radio exists, but only because operators prove they deserve the privilege. Japan uses a tiered licensing system with 4 main classes: 4th class, 3rd class, 2nd class, and 1st class. Each level unlocks more bands, more modes, more power. But here's the difference from the United States. Advancement is expected, not optional. Technical competence is non-negotiable. Japanese amateur radio call signs typically begin with Juliet Alpha, Juliet Echo, Juliet Fox, Juliet Golf, Juliet Hotel, or Juliet Romeo. Examples include Juliet Alpha 1, Alpha Bravo Charlie, Juliet Echo 7, X-Ray Yankee Zulu. So what the call sign tells you, the J is obviously Japan. The letter and the number represents the region. The suffix is the operator identifier. Unlike the United Kingdom, the call sign doesn't shout license class, but the operating quality usually gives it away. Japanese power limits are much lower than United States standards. That forces exceptional antenna design, tight filtering, clean signals, operating discipline. With millions of people packed into dense RF environments, there's no room for bad behavior. Every watt matters. Japanese ham radio culture is disciplined, courteous, technically precise, and efficiency focused. You'll rarely hear deliberate interference, frequency bullying, ego-driven behavior. Radio etiquette isn't optional. It's cultural. If you've ever worked a Juliet Alpha on HF, you know those contacts aren't accidents. Japanese operators are methodical. And when you go to log those QSOs, patterns emerge. That's where World Radio League fits naturally. World Radio League is a logging and analytics platform that lets you track JA contacts over time, visualize your DX reach, analyze band and mode efficiency, compare international operating activity. When operators are this precise, your log data actually tells a story. You can go to worldradioleague.com, check it out, totally free to sign up. They do have a free platform. However, there are some paid tier options that give you more options. And when you do use those, use my coupon code HamShackTV. That's going to give you 10% off there at checkout. That's HamShackTV. For United States operators, Japan is eye-opening. Lower power, tougher exams, stronger etiquette, better signals, world-class DX results. Japan proves something undeniable. Discipline scales better than power. If this series has you realizing there's more to ham radio than just passing the test, ham radio prep helps you build real understanding, not just memorization. Go check out hamradioprep.com, and when you use coupon code HamShackTV, that'll give you 10% off at checkout. They get you the technician license all the way to extra. They teach you HF fundamentals and real operating knowledge. They also have a money-back guarantee if you don't pass your exam. See website for details, but just like Japan teaches us, competence is freedom. Japan reminds us of something important. Great operators aren't loud by accident. They're disciplined by design. And when you log your context and actually studying your operating habits with tools like World Radio League, that shows you the difference. Next in the series is Canada, Victor Echo. If you're watching from Japan, please drop your call sign down below. And if I've gotten anything wrong, let me know down in the comments. I know you will. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. 73 AA4WX. WSCB 693.